Creating a title along a path. Now, to do this, we're going to have to go up to File, and we're going to have to go to New. We're going to come down to Legacy Title, and we're going to give it a name for our, I'll call this, title on a path. All right. And now I want to come up here and choose my path type tool. I'm going to come down in here and I get this little ink pen. I'm going to click. I'm going to click, 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 and click. Now, what I want to do is I want to go back up and choose my path type tool, and I'm going to click right down here on my path, and I'm going to actually move my window over here a little bit, and I'm going to change my font type to something I can see here a little better. Let me see. Let's go to something like Arial. And let me choose my font size just a little smaller, just to make sure we can see that a little better. And then I'm going to type in something like Chicago. I'm going to type in Chicago boat tour. All right, and then I'm going to close this X, and you can see it made a new item down here in my project browser. Now I'm going to just drag that up, place that on V2, and you can see I'm going to just go ahead and hit my space bar. And you can see I've created a title along a path. This is a legacy tool. It's not found in the essential graphics. So if I'm looking over here, it's not there. The only place we can still get this is over here under New, and I have to go to Legacy Title.